I wish someone had sat me down before I started learning how to code and just told me the truth. Not just about what to learn, but about how hard it can be, how long it takes, and the mental battle that comes with it. So if you are just getting started, or even if you have been coding for a while but still feel stuck, this video is for you. I'm going to share 3 things I really wish I knew before I started this journey. So yeah, I'm Samuel Damlari, a self-taught developer from Nigeria. I've been coding for a while now, and trust me, I've learned some hard truths. If you are just getting started, this video might just save your month of frustration. So let's get started. Number 1 is coding isn't just about writing code. Yes, this might sound strange, but hear me out. When I started, I thought being a developer meant just typing fast in a dark room and fancy music playing in the background. You know, movie style. But the truth is, you will spend more time thinking than typing. Recoding is about solving problems. It's about figuring out why your code isn't working, not just what code to write. You will be Googling error messages, reading documentation, debugging web posts, or just planning the logic in your head before you write a single line. Sometimes I do spend 2 hours trying to figure out one tiny bug, not because I don't know how to code, but I didn't fully understand the logic. So if you feel frustrated, that's normal. It means you are growing. Coding is mental exercise. Number 2, tutorial hell is real and dangerous. Let me be real with you. For months, I was just jumping from one tutorial to another. One YouTube video here, one Udemy course there. But I wasn't doing anything on my own. That's what they call tutorial hell. You will feel productive, but you are not actually learning. Here's the truth. You only started learning when you struggle on your own, when you build a project and something breaks, and you have to fix it. That's when things really start to click. I remember watching a real tutorial for a to-do app. I felt like I understood everything, but the moment I tried building my own app, I was blank. After watching tutorial, I challenged myself, build something without looking, even if it's small. A calculator, a note-taking app, a blog. That's how you break free. The third one, you don't have to learn everything at once. One of the biggest mistakes I made was thinking I had to learn everything at once. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, MongoDB, Git, APIs. Bro, it was overwhelming. And the internet doesn't help. Everyone says, learn this, learn that. You will start panicking, feeling like you are already behind. But coding is a journey, not a race. Focus on one thing at a time. Start with the basic HTML, CSS, then move to JavaScript. After that, choose a path, whether frontend or backend or a full-stack developer. For me, I started with frontend. Once I was comfortable, I moved to backend later. In fact, trying to learn everything will slow you down. It's better to be good at one thing than average at 10. So here's my bonus tip, especially if you are from Nigeria or any other country where tech ecosystem is still growing. I know the struggle, power issues, poor internet, no access to mentorship, and people not even understanding what coding is. But the beauty thing is, tech levels the playing field. If you stay consistency, you will keep building, keep learning, opportunity will come. There are way times I almost give up because I felt stuck and alone. But now I realize most devs around the world go through the same mental struggles. It's not about where you start, it's about where you are heading. So these are the 3 things I wish I knew before I started learning how to code. So if you are just getting started or you've been stuck lately, I hope this helped. And if it did, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So keep pushing.